Former Washington Department of Health employee has filed a lawsuit against the department and the state Secretary of Health. This comes after she claims she was fired in violation of her First Amendment rights.
Our Ian Smay went through the lawsuit today. He spoke with that employee as well. He's joining us now live from the newsroom. Ian?
Mark Whitney, there are a lot of claims in this lawsuit that we will get to, but the main thing to know is that this lawsuit filed by former DOH employee Erica Henry centers around an email she sent as a private citizen in light of the controversial firing of Dr. Bob Lutz by Spokane Public Health Administrator Amelia Clark. Henry worked in COVID emergency response for the DOH and also previously worked for the Spokane Regional Health District from 2010 until 2014. She claims she was fired for sending that email with concerns about Clark. According to the lawsuit, Henry said she was encouraged by then Secretary of Health Dr. John Weisman to make comments as private citizens as they see fit. Weisman was the health secretary when Lutz was controversially fired and when Henry made her comments. The lawsuit says Henry, a Spokane County resident, sent an email to the Spokane Regional Health Board the day Lutz was fired. Henry claims she sent that email during her own personal time from her personal Gmail account and used a private computer. She also said she used her name but didn't reference her employment with the DOH in the email. In that email, she voiced concerns about Clark's leadership, calling it inadequate and incompetent, among other things. She said she sent the email because she was a citizen concerned about the consequences of Lutz's firing.
So this was really about my community, my family, yes, my experience in my profession, but not relating to the fact that I work at DOH.
The lawsuit says Henry consulted with the legislative advisors and policy analysts at the Department of Health who said she could make such statements in a personal capacity as a citizen. In February of 2021, Henry was sent with Shaw to visit the SRHD. The lawsuit claims that County Commissioner Mary Cooney gave Shaw a copy of Henry's email during the visit that then set off a chain reaction that led to Henry being fired for violating state rules regarding so-called activities incompatible with public duties. The lawsuit says the department claims she shouldn't have used her name in the email and that she needed to tell newly appointed Health Secretary Shaw about her comments to the SRHD. Henry also claims the DOH investigation found her comments disrespectful and inappropriate and that her firing violates her First Amendment rights since she was acting as a private citizen. She also said other Department of Health officials publicly weighed in on Lutz's firing at the time. We reached out to Mayor Kevin Freeman for comment, but we have not heard back from either from him or County spokesperson Jared Webley, who said Commissioner Cooney would be unable to comment as it involves an ongoing lawsuit. The DOH also said it doesn't comment on pending litigation. We should note that Freeman and Cooney were not named as defendants in that lawsuit. In the newsroom, Ian Smay, KREM 2 News.